Hi guys, Kathy with FUMSnow.com, bringing you this week's FUMS 6-pack, the top 6 topics in MS for this week. Let's get after it. Okay, number 1, I said MS pisses me off, which it does, but pediatric MS breaks my heart. That's true too. This study that I include was published in the Lancet Child and Adolescent Health Journal, and it talks about children with MS having better outcomes if treated early and with the same high efficacy therapies as adults. It's good to get clarity on what treatments are good to help kids most, but that makes me so sad that kids go through this too. Number 2, okay, this is truly disturbing. 2 chemicals found in common household products like disinfectants and furniture may play a role in the development of neurological disorders like autism and multiple sclerosis, according to a new study. What? Adding to previous research that found the chemicals may be detrimental to human health. Okay, think Lysol and Clorox. I don't know about y'all, but my usage of those products skyrocketed from COVID forward. So it's worth reading this article. I linked to it in the 6-pack. Okay, number 3, quote, a subset of astrocytes, which is a type of support cell for the central nervous system, has a form of immune-related memory that might contribute to a worsening of MS, according to recent research. It's not easy to say. So let me get this straight. These little bastards that live in our central nervous system have this super memory that can increase inflammation and make our MS symptoms worse. Symptoms like, memory. Yeah. Yep. Hello, irony. I do not remember inviting you in. Anyway, that's an interesting study as well that I linked to. Okay, number 4, hang with me on this one. It's an old musical reference. Ground control to Major Tom. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Last Thursday, a SpaceX rocket shot a craft filled with more than 6,000 pounds of cargo into Earth's orbit. On board were brain organoids, that sounds fake, sent by the National Stem Cell Foundation in Louisville. These organoids, really? Is that really a word? These organoids are collections of cells that mimic the central nervous system of people with Parkinson's disease and primary progressive MS. Why would they do that, you may ask? I'm glad you asked. Quote, cells behave differently in space than they do on Earth. In space, in 3D, you can see cells talking to each other in a way that's not possible on Earth. Because cells also mature more rapidly in space, you can see in an accelerated way what's happening when diseases develop. Mind blown. This is really interesting. And I linked to that one too. Okay, number 5. Have you ever considered how lesions grow? I just think lesions are just there all of a sudden, but that's not true. They grow. And the question is, do they grow from the middle out or from the out in? I had never even considered it, but this study took a look and they have an answer. I'll give you a hint. I'll just read you the title. MS lesions grow from center outward, new mapping study shows. You want to read about that one? It's in here. And number 6, don't forget, it is MS Awareness Month, and I'm gonna just bet that y'all are aware. I am quite aware as well. And as such, Multiple Sclerosis News Today is running features on different MS advocates, and this week it was my turn. So I linked to the article that they did on me and a picture. I sent them several pictures. I think it's all telling that they chose this one where I'm holding a big fat glass of red wine, which, by the way, I think is an underutilized medicine. It has helped me a lot. So that's it. That's the 6-pack. Oh, and also I tried something new this week. I put in various MS events happening around the US and an MS meme just because we need to laugh, right? So if you find this interesting and would like it delivered along with the links to every one of the articles and studies and blah, 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 just go to FUMSnow.com/6-pack and sign up right there. And don't forget to say FUMS every day.